Have you ever stopped to just listen? I mean really listen. If you do, you can almost hear the heartbeat of our planet. It's a rhythm that thumps in the chest of every lion, beats in the wings of every hummingbird, and echoes in the deep calls of the whales. This world is absolutely bursting with life, a spectacular show of nature's magic that unfolds every single second. From the tiniest insects crawling beneath our feet to the giant elephants roaming the vast plains, every creature has a story. It's a story of survival, of beauty, and of connection. This incredible wild world is out there, waiting for us to explore its breathtaking wonders. Let's dive headfirst into the world's most vibrant and bustling neighborhood, the jungle. The air here is thick with moisture and alive with sound. It's a symphony of buzzing insects, chattering monkeys, the calls of exotic birds. Life in the rainforest is a vertical adventure. From the dark, mysterious forest floor, up to the sun-drenched canopy. Take the sloth, for example. It moves so slowly that algae grows on its fur. Down below, a poison dart frog, no bigger than your thumbnail, hopping across leaf litter, electric blue, fiery orange, vibrant yellow. Even the cats are masters. The jaguar, rosette coat, the undisputed king, on the ground, in the trees, in the water, a bite powerful enough to pierce caiman hide or turtle shell. Leafcutter ants marching in single file, carrying pieces of leaves like giant green sails. The glass frog, translucent belly, tiny beating heart visible. Turn over a leaf. Look under a log, discover another fascinating creature. The jungle, a treasure chest of biodiversity, each organism with a special role. Now let's take a deep breath. Plunge beneath the waves' shimmering light, silent giants, hidden cities. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet. The gentle sea turtle, an ancient mariner. The ocean is home to the largest animal that has ever lived. The blue whale, longer than 3 school buses, its heart is the size of a small car. Yet, it feeds on some of the tiniest creatures in the sea, krill. To witness a blue whale surface in the coral reefs, we find some of the most vibrant and diverse communities on the planet. These are the bustling cities of the sea. A clownfish peeks out from the protective tentacles of a sea anemone. A moray eel lurks in a rocky crevice. Schools of brightly colored fish move as one silver-blue yellow. And what about the true abyss? The anglerfish dangles a bioluminescent lure in front of its toothy mouth. The vampire squid, with its dark webbed arms producing their own light in a world without sunlight, forms more alien and amazing than anything we could ever invent. Imagine a vast open landscape stretching as far as the eye can see, painted in shades of gold and green, under a giant blue sky. This is the African savannah, a land of dramatic seasons, iconic wildlife, and epic stories of survival. The lion, the king of beasts, lives in social groups called prides. The females are the primary hunters. The roar of a male lion is an unforgettable sound. The savannah is also home to the world's largest land animal, the African elephant. These gentle giants are incredibly intelligent and social, living in tight-knit family groups led by an older, wise female known as the matriarch. Elephants use their amazing trunks for drinking, smelling, picking up a single blade of grass, greeting a family member. The giraffe, with its impossibly long neck, browses on leaves high in the trees. The cheetah, the fastest land animal on Earth, is a blur of focused speed, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. From the mighty rhinoceros to the comical warthog, all part of a grand, interconnected drama playing out on this immense natural stage. Let's step out of the bright sun and into the cool, quiet world of the temperate forest. This is a habitat of seasons. In the spring, the forest floor is carpeted with wildflowers as new leaves unfurl on the trees. Summer brings a thick green canopy that provides shade and shelter. In autumn, the forest puts on a spectacular show of color. And in winter, a blanket of snow can transform the landscape into a silent, peaceful wonderland. The red fox, with its bushy tail and keen senses, is a master survivor, pouncing on mice hidden beneath the snow. Another forest dweller, the raccoon, is famous for its intelligence and dexterity. With its mask-like face and nimble paws, it can solve complex problems, or a container. One of the most powerful symbols of the forest is the bear. Whether it's the massive grizzly bear of North America, these animals command respect. They are omnivores with an incredible sense of smell. Watching a bear skillfully catch a salmon from a rushing river is a raw display of power and instinct. A white-tailed deer and her fawn might step silently through the undergrowth. High in the trees, a great horned owl sits perfectly still on a branch. On the forest floor, a salamander hides under a damp log. And to appreciate the subtle beauty and intricate connections that exist all around us. Everywhere we look in the wild, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, we see an incredible, delicate dance. This is the dance of ecology, where every single living thing is connected to everything else. Think about the relationship between a flower and a bee. The flower provides nectar, a sweet food source for the bee. In return, as the bee travels from flower to flower, it carries pollen, helping the plants to reproduce. This simple act is responsible for so much of the food we eat and the beauty we see in the world. This interconnectedness creates a state of balance. Predators like wolves and sharks play a crucial role in keeping this balance. By controlling the number of herbivores, they also prevent overgrazing, which protects the plants and the soil. Earthworms, tunneling silently beneath our feet, are nature's master recyclers. They aerate the soil, allow water and oxygen to reach plant roots. Similarly, bats, often misunderstood, are critical for controlling insect populations. This beautiful balance, however, is fragile. The dance of nature has been perfected over millions of years, but it can be easily disrupted. When one part of the system is damaged, the whole thing can begin to unravel. A change in temperature can affect the coral reefs. A polluted river can harm the fish and the animals that eat them. And the loss of a forest can leave countless species without a home. Understanding this delicate balance is the first step toward appreciating just how precious and important every single wild animal and wild place truly is. They are all part of one big, amazing family. We have journeyed across the globe from the vibrant jungle to the endless savannah, and we've met some of the most incredible animals on our planet. We've seen the power of a lion, the grace of a sea turtle, and the intelligence of an elephant. These creatures are not just characters in a story, they are our neighbors. We share this one beautiful planet with them, and their survival is deeply connected to our own. The magic of the wild is not something we can afford to lose. It is a priceless treasure that enriches our lives, inspires our curiosity, and reminds us of the wonder of being alive. Protecting wildlife and their habitats is one of the most important jobs we have. It's about learning to live in harmony with it, protecting forests and keeping our oceans clean. When we protect a rainforest for the jaguar, we are also protecting the thousands of other species that live there. Every action we take, no matter how small, can contribute to a healthier planet for all living things. The future of these amazing animals is in our hands. We are the guardians of their world. By showing compassion and taking action, we can ensure that future generations will also have the chance to be amazed by the sight of a whale breaching or the sound of a wolf howling. So let's make a promise. Let's promise to stay curious, to keep exploring, and to never stop caring about the wild heart of our planet. Let's promise to protect the jungles and all the other incredible creatures that make our world so magical. Nature has given us the most spectacular gift. It's up to us to cherish it, protect it, and ensure that its breathtaking beauty and wild wonders will continue to inspire and thrive for centuries to come. The adventure is far from over.